Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is our 46th session in this journey, and during this new section we are going to take a look at creating charts inside of Microsoft Excel. Now open in front of you, I have still got our example file, our little monthly budget. We are going to take a look at taking a portion of this data. Especially we are going to grab cell from here, B4 to G9, sorry, B4 to G9, right? So I'm going to get just the bills labels, they're just the rent, phone, credit cards and so on. Then I'm going to get the 3 months that I have put into my chart. Now if you have got more months, feel free, you can grab all of your months there. If you got more bills, you can grab all your bills there. But I'm just going to leave the totals off, right? So let's leave the total row number 10 or whatever row you have got there, and column total as well. So let's leave those two off, at least for this moment. We can take a look at later on adding those in, but for now we got the bills, we got the months, and that's what I'm going to turn into something more visual. In our spreadsheet it's looking pretty good. We got a little bit of color in there. We have done some conditional formatting to draw some of those numbers out, but I want something that somebody can look at and in instance make some assumptions, or at least for intelligent decision based on the data, looking at bars or slices of a pie, or looking at lines and dots as they move through the time. Whatever it might be, something more visual to for them to look at, and that's where the chart comes into play. So with that data selected, again I got B4, I selected B4 to G9. With that selected, I'll go up to my insert tab, and inside the insert tab I have got sections in there. I've got sections in there about just charts. Now inside the latest release of Microsoft Excel, you have got lots of option to pick from here, and in earlier version you have got lots of option there as well, but they have just been slowly introducing more and more with each iteration of Excel. So here I'm going to go into really the first option there. This is our column chart, so I'm just going to hit the little button there, and I'm going to grab just a standard 2D column chart, and kind of the most common type of chart that you will see inside of Excel. I will get that going and get the click, and there's my chart. So all I did there is select the data, go to my insert tab, and got a chart. I grabbed just a standard column chart, and it's done. Right now there's some definitely more tweaking that we are going to do here, like the chart title, we are going to change that. We could change the colors, all sorts of stuff to do here, but it's super quick inside of Excel to be able to create a chart, highlight the data, insert tab, pick your type of chart, and you're good to go. Now something to keep in mind, again I chose a standard 2D column chart here. There are lots of different types of charts. Some charts are better suited, or at least better represent larger amount of data, such as column chart. It's great, or a bar chart is great for large amount of data. A pie chart, not so great for large amount of data, and I'll show you what happens when we try to do that. But for now, just keep that in mind. Some charts are better suited for lots of data, some are better suited for a small amount of data, or at least a single axis of data, like a single row or single column of data inside of Excel spreadsheet. So we'll talk some more about that, but right now try this out. Grab your data, keep the totals off, go to your insert tab, and pick a 2D column chart to start out, and that's what we are going to move forward with. Alright, so thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying the journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.